We're introducing a fresh new look designed to make navigating and managing your finances easier than ever. Your new home screen features easy-to-use top navigation, clean design, and a streamlined view of your accounts. With our new enhancements, you'll be able to customize your budget, get a quick view of your cash flow, see how you save and spend money. You can also track recurring transactions and set financial goals. Organize transactions your way. Create custom subcategories to organize your transactions just the way you want. Not only will you be able to select a category, but you can also create custom subcategories to personalize your needs. Personalize your transaction names. Edit transaction descriptions and label your transactions to make it easier to track your spending and stay on top of your finances. Quickly move money. Use the new Quick Transfer shortcut on your home screen to transfer money quickly. This makes managing your accounts more convenient. Copy your account numbers with a single click. Save your account numbers to your clipboard with the Copy button on the routing number display page. Set your overdraft options. Manage your overdraft protection seamlessly on the redesigned Overdraft Protection page. Use the new arrows to change the order of your overdraft protection options with a few clicks. Pay your loans with ease. Make loan payments in your updated Move Money screen. Manage your bills effortlessly. Conveniently schedule your payments using our refreshed Bill Pay page. Thank you for joining us on this tour of your newly redesigned website. We hope you found this video helpful.